Welcome to Equi1 Cricket Show with Equitas Small Finance Bank in the post-match analysis segment for the match between SRH and CSK. SRH won the toss and elected to bat first. CSK, after a good 7-day break, they came with 3 changes to their side. DJ Bravo, Shardul Thakur and Ambati Rayudu coming into the side to give a good balance to the team. The bowling was blazingly good for CSK. They started off with a wicket in the first over. Deepak Chahar bowled a couple of outswingers and an in-swinger to bowl Johnny Bairstow. The 11th over turned out to be the turning point of CSK's first innings. Faf du Plessis taking an extraordinary catch to dismiss David Warner. The next ball, a huge miscommunication between the batsmen, ran out Kane Williamson. Courtesy, a good throw by Rayudu to Dhoni. The ray of hope didn't stop for SRH. The youngsters came into the picture. Garg and Abhishek doing the right things for SRH by scoring 77 runs in 43 balls. This partnership gave a good position for SRH batting. The last over, Shardul Thakur started off with a no ball which turned out to be a wicket ball. But still, he managed to pull off that over by just conceding 7 runs. In last 6 overs, CSK conceded 64 runs and picked just 1 wicket. With 42 dot balls while bowling, CSK restricted SRH to 164. CSK started their chase of 165. In the second innings, CSK started their run chase not as expected. Lost 3 wickets in the power play, which turned out to be a great loss for CSK. Again, the ray of good hope didn't stop. Jaddu and Dhoni Bhai did the right job of having a great partnership in that particular middle over phase. Until we reached the 15th over, the asking rate was more than 11 runs. The 17th over turned out to be the over for CSK. The momentum was shifting towards CSK after 3 boundaries by Jadeja and getting out in the same region to Natarajan. Then Sam Curran coming and starting off with a 6 gave a great hope again to CSK. Dhoni taking the charge in the last 3 overs, doing the right things for CSK's run chase. Penultimate over, Bhuvneshwar Kumar goes back to the dressing room after the first ball due to hamstring pull, which again gave a big hope to CSK's fan. The 5 ball of Khalil Ahmed gave a great hope to CSK. In the last over, CSK required 27 runs. The drama didn't stop. CSK pulling off the last over 20 runs and losing the match by 7 runs. What CSK could have done better? 1. The fielding could have been much better towards the end of first innings. There were a couple of drop catches which could have saved 10 to 15 runs. In power play, losing 3 wickets made CSK's run chase a struggle. I hope CSK have learnt from these mistakes and they will come back really stronger in the next match. Thank you for joining me in this particular segment of post-match analysis. Stay tuned to this space to know more about all the matches played by CSK. This is Harishankar signing off in Equi1 Cricket Show with Equitas Small Finance Bank.